Hello! In this video, I will show you how to make this beautiful paper crown. For this project, we'll need a square sheet of paper, 15 by 15 centimeters. Fold the square horizontally and crease well. Now fold it in half and unfold. Fold the right side to the center. Do the same with the left side. Then unfold the right side and fold it inward, as shown in the video. Repeat the same with the left side, making sure the lines are straight. Fold the right side backward. Fold the left side backward as well. Fold the top right corner to the center. Do the same with the left corner. Flip the paper over and repeat, folding both corners. Now fold the top corner down. Turn the model over and fold the triangle down again. And now the final touch. Open the center and press down the top part. We've made a wonderful crown. I wish you lots of creativity. See you soon on our channel.